is designing websites. The extension in the CSS language is .css. Next page. So, are you guys all familiar with the language, programming language like C and C++? Familiar? Okay. So, JavaScript is a web programming language that can update, change HTML and CSS words. So, JavaScript is responsible for functioning and making building dynamic websites. Okay. So, extension used for JavaScript language is .js. Next, backend development. So, every strong full stack website, there is a strong, powerful, great backend there is supporting from the back. Okay. So, backend is behind the scene where the all functionality and programs are stored, and it makes website more manageable. So, language used in JavaScript are Python, SQL, Ruby, PHP. So, backend, what does backend do? Backend manages database, servers, and applications. So, backend is also called as server-side development because it interacts with the interface that works with the server. So, backend provides security and authentication to our website or web application to our data. So, let's see what these languages are that are used in backend development. So, first is SQL language. So, SQL stands for Structured Query Language. So, Structured Query Language store data and to store that data, there are some queries used in SQL. Some are the update query, insert query, delete query. These are the queries that provides in SQL. Okay, so SQL provides data security, flexibility to our website, and data integrity. Next language we use to our backend is PHP. So what PHP means? PHP is hypertext preprocessor. Girls, all the girls, please pay attention. So PHP is hypertext preprocessor. So PHP is open source scripting language. We can create our script in this language. It is executed on server side. Can run on Windows Linux. So this is how backend looks. We are seeing browser. We use browser Pro most of the time. So our data is stored in this browser. So from this browser, data is sent to the web server. From that web server, data gets stored. Okay. Next page. So this is the client server model picture I have added to make it more interactive so you understand how client and server interact. This is client, here our mobile. We use mobile, so we are the client. We send request to the server or any problem, then this request is sent in HTTP language. Server process that data information, then send back that request or response to the client in that language. It means HTTP. Okay, so here IP is unique address label assigned to each device connected to the internet. So every IP address is different, unique. DNS is domain name. It translates domain name into IP address so browser can load internet pages. Okay. So some developers work with both front-end development and back-end development. So these developers are called as full-stack developers. So they work both on front-end backend, and they have the complete knowledge on how websites are work, how websites are designed, and how to manage that website data and database. So these are the languages: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. They also work with PHP, WordPress, SQL, Python. These are all the full stack developers languages. Next slide, please. So here comes the most interesting topic of our presentation. Why I am talking on web development? Why should you learn web development? Web development is a skill. It's easy to learn. So fresher, please pay attention to this. You have in your first semester, I think HTML and CSS are the language you want to learn. So make sure to use that language and the data and make some HTML pages and CSS pages. Make any website with it because web development is easy to learn. We can use problem solving skill. It is open source community. Anyone can use. Anyone can develop. It is versatile skill. Now versatile means everyone needed this kind of website. From our personal portfolio to websites like business website, organization